8th grade Mountain Math, week 1, number 5, answer. We need to turn this into standard form. We have 2.35 times 10 to the 4th power. So I'll show you a couple things about this one. This is 2.35 times 10 to the 4th power. This is times 10, 4 times. 10, 10, 10. Okay, so these two together make 100, 100, 1 with 4 zeros. So we end up with 2.35 times 10,000. If we go times 10,000, anything times 10, let's do 3 times 10. That's 3, and we move our decimal point from here over one space to here, which makes it 30. If we do 3 times 100, we're doing the same thing, but our decimal is going to move over 2 spaces because we know that it's 300. We move the decimal point from here over 1 over 2 spaces. Let's say if it was 0.5 times 1,000. Same pattern, counting our zeros. That's how many times we move our decimal point. So it went from 0.5 over 1, 2, 3 times. So that would be 500. Half of 1,000 is 500. So we could think about these again. This is 3 times. I'll put it down here. 3 times 10 to the 1. We move the decimal 1 time. 100 is 10 to the 2nd power. So 3 times 10 to the 2nd. We moved our decimal point 2 times. 1,000 is 10 to the 3rd power. So 3 times 10 to the 3rd. We move our decimal 3 times for 3rd power. This one here is times 10 to the 4th. So we're going to move our decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the right. So let's do that. 2.35. We're going to move it over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 to right here. New spaces, get zeros. So we have the number 23,500. And that will be our standard form of this scientific notation. We might use scientific notation with really, really big numbers or really, really small numbers, especially in fields of science like with molecular biology or chemistry. Those numbers get super small or super big, so we came up with a new way to write these really large numbers. Like, for example, if it was 15 what is this? Billion, 15 billion. We can rewrite that as 1.5. And how many times will we need to move our decimal? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's just a shorter way of writing these really big numbers. So with this one, to the 4th power, we move our decimal point 4 times to the right. We get 23,500.